Hello guys, it's me again. Welcome back to the channel English with Farshad. This is the second chapter of the videos Food Words in English. So let's get started. Eggs. Eggs. Edible oval-shaped reproductive bodies of birds. Bagel. Bagel. Ring-shaped bread roll, typically eaten toasted with toppings. Muffin. Muffin. Small sweet bread baked in a cup-shaped mold. Hot dog. Hot dog. Cooked sausage served in a sliced bun with condiments. Fajitas. Fajitas. Mexican dish with grilled meat and vegetables, served with tortillas. Baguette. Baguette. Long and narrow French bread with a crispy crust. Croissant. Croissant. Buttery and flaky pastry of French origin. Tuna. Tuna. Edible fish species often used in sandwiches or salads. Ham. Ham. Pork meat from the leg, often cured and sliced. Turkey. Turkey. Large bird commonly eaten roasted or in sandwiches. Gyro. Gyro. Greek dish of meat of a lamb in pita bread with sauce. My favorite one. Falafel. Falafel. Deep fried balls made from ground chickpeas. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hamburger. Hamburger. Sandwich with a cooked ground meat patty. Cheesecake. Cheesecake. Dessert with a layer of sweetened cheese on a crust. Mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes. Boiled potatoes mashed with milk and butter. French toast. French toast. Bread soaked in beaten eggs and fried. Casserole. Casserole. Dish cooked slowly in an oven. often with a variety of ingredients. Tofu. Tofu. Soybean curd used as a protein source in vegetarian dishes. Quiche. Quiche. Baked dish with eggs, cream, cheese, and fillings like vegetables or bacon. Risotto. Risotto. Italian dish of creamy rice cooked with broth and ingredients. Stir fry. Stir fry. Quick cooking method with vegetables and meat in a hot pan. Gnocchi. Gnocchi. Italian dumplings made from potato, flour, and eggs. Bruschetta. Bruschetta. Toasted bread topped with tomatoes, herbs, and olive oil. Cabbage rolls. Cabbage rolls. Cabbage leaves stuffed with meat and rice, cooked in tomato sauce. Baked beans. Baked beans. Dish of cooked beans in a sauce, often sweetened. So guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoy it and understand it well. Keep up with me for the next episodes.